Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use the audio recorder in Kilonotes so that you can paste explanation in your notes. Open the app and go to one of your files. And after that, use this microphone icon right here and say, for example, this is my explanation. Click on it again. And now we have an explanation which we can place in the text or next to it. Click on the sticker icon and here is recording 2 and recording 1. I will choose recording icon right 1 here and say, for example, this is my... Okay, so we can add it to the page like this and click on the check mark, and from now on if you come to this page in your document you can listen to it or delete it. My explanation, click on it. Yes, so now I of course recorded my voice while explaining, but you can say anything that's connected to your text or to your material that you are learning. So this is very useful, I think.